Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. Beautiful day here in the city of Henderson. So today I am here in the master plan community of Cadence. Now, D.R. Horton just bought a pretty big piece of dirt here on the, I'm gonna say, northeast of Cadence. So as you can see, we're gonna be touring today Symmetry Trails. These are townhomes, and there are 4 townhomes attached. Now in the back, you got the 2-car garage. Now there's only 2 models here. You got the 1319 model and the 1417 model. And the 1470 model are actually the corner units, okay? Now they do have a total of 5 different communities, okay? You have larger homes that are over 3,000 square feet. You got single-story homes, but today we're going to be focused on these townhomes. Now, the townhomes, you have different elevations. Here's another elevation over here, okay? And we have another one at the far end. Now, this is a main road here. It goes all the way around. You do have a sports park in the back, actually somewhere over there. So a lot of things are very conveniently located in this area. So today we're gonna go take a look at this 1417 model, which is the end cap. Now, the price on here, right, is $345,990. Now, the price difference from each one is gonna be varied based upon where your home sits. So lot premiums are roughly about $2,000, so you're not that much far apart. Now, if you guys are sick and tired of renting, then maybe this is something that you guys can actually consider. But after these videos that we do, we're gonna focus on the other communities as well. But let's focus on this one today. So the 1417 model is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So as you can see, we have some pavers, and I think this is probably my favorite elevation with the stone. Pretty much everything that you see here, you will get. You get this sky bell, doorbell. You get this keypad, and it's also a rekey too as well. What's great about this, it comes with the white cabinets. The flooring, I'm not too sure. It looks like the flooring is definitely a upgrade. Here we have your Bluetooth or your Wi-Fi for your lights. If you guys want some snacks, it's totally up to you, but I'm on a diet, so it's no for me. Here's the countertops that comes with it. Also, what I like about this is that all appliances are included, and right now with their incentives, right, what they have is 3% if you use their lender, but that may change. However, you have to close by the end of April. Now, there's a total of 11 units that have been built so far. And today's actually the grand opening, so we are the first people to tour this thing together. We got 8-foot ceilings, orange peel texture. You got the Traverse LED lights right above here. This island, you have 3 chairs, which is not bad. Pantry. Here's your garage, 2-car garage. Now the HOAs are $45 a month. Now this video is not going to be that long, because it's just a small little tiny house. But this floor plan here has this little loft area, which is really nice. You won't get this on the other floor plan. Now, off to my left, we have our primary, the 2 bedrooms and bathrooms on this side. See what we have here. Oh, you know, one thing I didn't notice, bathroom downstairs. We didn't have a bathroom downstairs. We're gonna have to go double check. Here's your laundry room. Love the fact that we have drain pan. One thing I forgot to mention is that the stove was an electric stove. This is probably a 10 by 10. We've got 8-foot ceilings here. One recessed light right above. You can change that out for a ceiling fan, but you definitely have to check the payload on it for sure. Let me show you the community. Here's the back side. See the garage, but we'll have to check if there is a tankless water heater. We'll take a look at that together. You got a 1 inch on the bull nose here. It's your bathroom. Love the fact that we have a tub shower combo, all one piece, which is really nice. Flip this around. Get our white shaker cabinets. Granite countertops. Looks like we have a 6-inch backsplash there. We got our filters right above. These are 220 by 20s. Attic access. So look at this. Primary. Love this feature wall here. However, this is just wallpaper. Interesting. We have another thermostat here, so it must be a dual zone. You got the transfer duct. This room's a little bit large. This is a king size bed. 2 nightstands on one side, so this is probably a 3-foot nightstand, 3 foot, so pretty large bedroom. Nice high vanity, 36 inches, which is really nice. Your closet's back here. Okay, not that large of a closet. One thing I can say that this is a great starter home for sure. So it looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Coax cables. Looks like we have just one Cat 6 here. We do have a Smurf tube with an outlet there. But let's go see if we have a bathroom downstairs. We gotta have a bathroom downstairs. Bathroom's gotta be right here. Yep. There it is. Okay. But I want to go take a look at the garage. But before we do that, I'll grab my cheat sheet real quick. We'll take a walk together. See what's going on. Front door open. Little windy today here in Henderson, but the sun is out, feeling good, feeling great, making things happen. Walk straight back here. Oh, that's nice to get a little park right here. You know what, I'm gonna sneak in. Let's go over here. So it looks like your driveway is not enough to park a car. So you would definitely have to park inside your garage. However, this garage is wide. So that is one thing that I do like about that, or this. I'm not too sure where the hell is that water heater at. Probably put it on the outside. No. Interesting. I have no clue where that water heater is. I'll have to definitely ask. All right, guys, make sure when you guys come out here, ask for Danny Lush. Cool dude. And let's do some business together. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to tune into the LV Home Experts podcast every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, let me know. Also, next week, I should have a list of all homes from DR Horton, their standing inventory. Other than that, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.